After concluding his two-nation visit to Greece today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will head straight to Bangalore, Karnataka to meet with the scientists of the Indian Space Research Organisation team involved in the Chandrayaan-3 mission. PM Modi on Wednesday congratulated ISRO chairman S. Somnath on the success of the Chandrayaan-3 mission and said he would soon visit them in Bangalore to greet the entire team in person. He had a phone conversation with Somnath from Johannesburg, where he was attending the BRICS summit.
आपका तो नाम सोमनाथ और सोमनाथ नाम चंद्र से जुड़ा हुआ है और इसलिए आज आपके परिवारजन भी बहुत आनंदित होंगे। मेरी तरफ से आपको, आपकी पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत बधाई और सबको मेरी तरफ से अभिनंदन कह दीजिए और हो सके उतना जल्दी मैं आप सबको रूबरू में भी बधाई दूंगा। बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और बहुत बहुत बधाई।
Furthermore, Prime Minister Modi virtually joined the live broadcast of the Chandrayaan-3 landing while in South Africa. He celebrated the mission's historic achievement of softly landing on the lunar surface, asserting that India has now set foot on the moon. In witnessing such monumental moments, we experience great pride. This marks the inception of a new India, he expressed. We pledged on Earth and fulfilled it on the moon. India is now a lunar presence, he added. Though the details of PM's visit have not been shared, he is likely to visit the mission's operations complex at Indian Space Research Organisation Telemetry Tracking and Command Network to congratulate the scientists and officials of the space agency. Meanwhile, according to reports, the Karnataka BJP is planning a grand welcome for the Prime Minister by organising a mega roadshow in the city on his arrival. Senior BJP leader and former Minister R. Ashok had said on Thursday. However, it is not confirmed yet. The Chandrayaan-3 lander, Vikram, touched down on the uncharted lunar South Pole on Wednesday evening, making India the first country to do so. Following a 40-day voyage through space, the Chandrayaan-3 lander named Vikram successfully made contact with the unexplored lunar South Pole on Wednesday evening. This accomplishment established India as the inaugural country to achieve such a feat. In addition, India has become the fourth nation after the US, Russia and China to accomplish a successful lunar landing mission. The Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft effectively placed the Vikram lander onto the lunar surface, maneuvering to a horizontal orientation before landing. The spacecraft was launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, using a GSLV Mark III heavy lift launch vehicle on July 14th. From August 5th onward, the spacecraft executed a sequence of orbital maneuvers to eventually align with the moon's surface. Meanwhile, the ISRO on Friday took to X to reveal pictures of the Chandrayaan-3 lander captured by the Chandrayaan-2 orbiter. ISRO highlighted that the orbiter high-resolution camera of Chandrayaan-2 possesses the most exceptional resolution capabilities in post on X. However, the space agency promptly removed the post from its X account shortly after.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.